Before going to Heron's formula, let us learn some basic formulas. The first one is a right-angled triangle. Take the vertical line and draw the one more horizontal line. Then the line joining these extremities, we get a triangle. The angle between vertical line is 90 degrees. This is the symbol of 90 degrees. In a triangle, one angle is 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. The vertices of this triangle are A, B and C. Here AB equal to height of the triangle. BC denotes base of the triangle. And the longest distance AC denotes hypotenuse. Now, I would like to find the area of this right angle triangle. So, the shaded part is the required area. Now, we can find the area by using area of right angle triangle one by 2 into base BC into height AB. Example, take the television. The four corners are like this. Now, consider the first edge of this television and the second edge of this television. The angle between them is 90 degrees. If you line joining the extremities of these two edges like this, then we get a right angle triangle. Take one more example. Take a wall clock like this. Now, the time of the clock is 3 o'clock. Here, the big handle represents vertical line. The small handle represents horizontal line. When you are line joining these extremities like this, the angle between big handle and small handle is 90 degrees. Now we get a right angle triangle here.